Hello traders, hope you're all keeping well. Today is the 16th of October 2025. Well, it's been a while. Yes, I've been around studying my chart. Um, yeah, just trying to get better in this business. And I'm back. I'm back now to be doing more videos for you. So today, this morning, I've identified a potential sell opportunity in the EURJPY. So this is a daily time frame. Um, so to my left, I've got this supply zone here on the daily time frame that also acted as a support and resistance level. Um, so this supply zone here failed. Yeah, it failed, and as you can see, um, the market rallied up to the supply zone and then faked out in the sense that it's got sellers coming to the market. Yeah, so we had sellers coming in here at the supply zone. Yeah, and it didn't quite go down. I'm sure if you've taken short there, you'll be aiming for at least 3 to 1, 2, 3 to 1, or even that low. Yeah, and your stops will be above this level. Okay, so this level also acted as a support and resistance zone. Yeah, I'll zoom that up for you. Okay, so when market came into the supply zone, we rejected, yeah, and then we retraced. The retracement traders have also come into the market and they've taken short. So if you've gone short there, gone short here, your stops will be above this supply area. All right, just above here. That's where your stop loss would be. So they've gone short, retraced, they've gone more short, and then retraced also into the level. Some traders like to take the supply zones 50%. So 50% of the supply zone. So from the box, yeah, from the beginning to the end, some traders like to take 50% of the zone. So if they've also gone in short at the 50% of the level, we've got more stop losses above the supply zone. So what happened then was they came in and took them out. Yeah. So this was a stop out of all the supply. Sorry. So for all that have gone short, they've been taken out. Okay. So remember, if you've seen my previous videos, I always say that when we break out with massive engulfing candles. All right. So this breakout of the level also acted as a breakout and a stop hunt. Yeah. So the stops have been grabbed by these engulfing candles. And when you see these engulfing candles, you believe that yes, we've we've broke out of a support and resistance zone. So you would then initiate long, believing that these breakouts are genuine breakouts. But in a real sense, they're actually fake outs. Yeah. So you had this first big engulfing candle. If you were waiting for a confirmation candle, then you got it on the second one. All right. So the second one is even better engulfing candle. So we have more buyers coming into the market. So if you're a buyer here, where will your stop loss be? Your stops are all going to be below this level. Yeah. So you put your stops all below here. That's where your stops are going to be. Yeah. So remember, what they've done first was to initiate a sell here. Yeah. And there and there. And then they've come and grabbed all the stops of the people that have gone short right here. Yeah. So they've achieved their first goal. They need to come back to achieve the second goal, which is to take out anyone that have gone long here. They need to come back and grab their stops. Okay. So what is happening now is that the market is retesting the level. Yeah. I'll zoom that for you. So we are retesting the level. And as you can see, we have beautiful candles like pin bar candles, yeah, to attract the retail traders to go long, us to go long, yeah. We are retail traders, myself included. So this is an engulfing, sorry, this is a pin bar candle, yeah. So this is what we know about pin bar is it is a bullish signal to go long, yeah. So we've retraced at least 50% or below 50% of the candle. More buyers are coming to the market, all right. And as I'm making this video this morning at 6:34 UK time, we are producing um, green candles to get more people to go long, all right. But remember I said they need to come down to initiate stops of this level. So there are stops here that they need to come and get. So my bias for EURJPY is sell. Okay, so all you need to do is drop down to lower time frame. Your 1 hour, 30 minutes, 2 hours. Look for a supply zone somewhere around here. Yeah, somewhere around here. Yeah, because this is a supply zone to me. So we had this rally, we had this base, we had this drop. Yeah, so just set an alarm. If you have a rally up to this zone, yeah, this is where you need to go short, and you put a stop above this high. So draw down to lower time frame, identify a smaller supply zone inside this daily supply zone. Yeah, look for confirmation and then go short. So this is a sell, EURJPY, no longs, sell. So wait for this to rally up and then you go short. All right, I hope that makes sense. All right, take care, and I'll come back to complete this video. Take care now. Bye bye.